The author Damon Ferrante sent this book for us to review, and I'm so happy they did because my husband bought this guitar about 6, 7 years ago. He tried to watch some videos online. He never knew how to play, never picked up a guitar before, and he played around with it for a little bit, said it was too hard, put it down, hasn't picked it up since. But this starts you from the very beginning. Like, it tells you the different types of guitars and then the different parts of a guitar. That's really where this starts, is the basic. It teaches you the strings, the chords, how to hold a pick. And then it goes through and it teaches you all kinds of songs. You don't have to have any kind of music knowledge, reading music, or like I said, even knowing the chords. You're starting from zero knowledge. This is your book because it completely starts at the beginning and goes through. So I love this. It says it's for adult beginners, but I even think this would be good for kids, maybe older kids. If you're trying to teach them a skill, you want them to maybe to not play as many video games and you want them to take up a hobby. Learning an instrument is just a beautiful thing. So many people don't know how to do it. It's beautifully written, very easy to follow and understand. There's pictures. And it's just very basic in the explanation, but as it goes on, you'll see how many different songs that you can learn. And I was just really impressed with this.